Hello all, welcome to Engineering World. So in this video we are going to discuss about security risk of cloud computing. But before watching my video, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. As many of you watching my video without subscribing, so firstly do subscribe it and then watch it. Now let's go into the video. Let's discuss about security risk of cloud computing in cloud computing. So firstly, the cloud computing provides a various advantages. All we have discussed about advantages of cloud computing in the previous video. So it improves the collaboration, excellent accessibility, and also mobility, storage, capacity. So these are various numbers of advantages which is provided by the cloud computing. But there are also security risk in cloud computing. So let us discuss each and everything one by one. So these are the various common security risks which occurs in a cloud computing, like data loss, hacked interfaces and insecure APIs, data breach, vendor lock-in, increased complexity strains, Spectre and Meltdown, and DOS attacks. So let us discuss each and everything what exactly they are. First one is data loss. So the data can be lost, when you are sharing the data can be lost and there is no protection for your data, and it is also known as a data leakage. Okay, so data loss is a process in which data is being deleted or it can be corrupted and also unreadable by the user. So in a cloud computing environment, the data loss occurs. When our sensitive data is somebody else's hand or one or more data elements cannot be utilized by the data owner, hard disk is not working properly, and software is not updated. So in these situations where data can be lost. And also second one is hacked interfaces and insecure APIs. What does it mean? As we all know that cloud computing is completely depending on internet. So without internet, the cloud computing does not work, right? So in the same way, so it is compulsory to protect interfaces, okay? And also we have to provide some security to the application program interfaces. So APIs are the easiest way to communicate with most of the cloud services. So in cloud computing, like few services are available in public domain, and these services can be accessed by the third parties. So there may be a chance that the services can be hacked by the hackers. So that is the reason we are saying that hacked interfaces and insecure APIs. So because hackers can hack the interfaces, and also there is no protection for the application program interfaces. So we have to provide protection to the application program interfaces because it is actually communicating, or else it is communicating with the cloud services. So that is the reason we have to provide some security. So but we are not providing it. So this is one of the security risk. And coming to the data breach. So data breach is a process in which confidential data is viewed or else it is accessed. It is actually stolen by the third party without any authorization. So organization data is hacked by the hackers. So in the data breach also there are hackers. They can hack your data. And coming to the vendor lock-in. So what is vendor lock-in? It is one of the biggest security risk in cloud computing, we can see. An organization may face problems when they were transferring the services from one vendor to another vendor. So as different vendors will provide a different platforms, we already know that. So that can cause a difficulty when you are passing a transferring the services from one vendor to another vendor. There may be a difficulty from one cloud to another. So that is vendor lock-in. Coming to the increased complexity strains. So migrating or else we can integrating and operating the cloud services is a complex. So IT staff must require the extra capability and also skills to manage, integrate and maintain the data into the cloud. So that we can say that increased complexity strains because of integration and migration on the cloud services. Coming to the Spectre and Meltdown. So what does it mean? Spectre and Meltdown will allow the programs to view and steal the data which is currently processed on the computer. And also it can run on personal computers, mobile devices and in the cloud. It can store the password and your personal information like images, emails, business documents in the memory of the running programs. So that is Spectre and Meltdown. Coming to the DOS attacks. So DOS stands for denial of service. So DOS attacks can occur when system receives too much traffic to buffer the server. And mostly these DOS attacks, target the web servers from the large organizations, and also such as organizations like banking sectors, and also media companies, government organizations like that. So to recover the lost data, DOS attacks charge a great deal of time and also money to handle the data. So these are the various common security risks in cloud computing. I hope this video is clear for you. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my video, and we'll meet in the next video with a different topic. Bye.